So let's talk about the clotting very briefly. So we've had some shocking reporting that we've done around some of these clots that were, embalmers pulled. And you're describing this as, white fibrous clots. So you've actually seen these.
I do. I have several of those from the embalmers, and I have several from clinicians who pulled them from living patients. We have lots of proteins constantly circulating in our blood, and these are induced into a clumping pattern by the spike protein. Once that spike binds, it just starts this whole little cascade, this little waterfall of this chemical binds this, and what you end up with is microclots and macroclots. And they are white and fibrous. They're unusual, they're firm, they are rubbery, they're long. I have some that are a couple of feet long in some of the samples. I've looked at them under the microscope, and that spike protein is really what's inducing this clotting pathway. Your body needs oxygen, so you get one of these clots laying down somewhere in the body. Now, can it cause a heart attack? Sure. Can it cause a stroke? Sure. There's one thing that I've been a big advocate for, and that's derived from fermented soy, nattokinase, which is an enzyme that breaks down fibrin. Parts of the world, like northern Japan, they don't die from heart disease and strokes. And they eat a lot of this fermented soy in their diet. And I've had colleagues who've ended up with clots after long travels and put on Eliquis and other drugs. And I said, have you tried nattokinase? And a day or two later, gosh, their clot is dissolved. So there are enzymatic mechanisms to start breaking these clots down before all these other amyloid proteins can start to piggyback on and compound and get bigger and bigger and bigger.